Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Xgene and proteinX. In this tutorial video, I'm going to talk about Endnote troubleshoots. So basically, two different kind of troubleshoot I will discuss here. First, this kind of error you might get, and there is no reference. So how to solve this kind of problem, and also sometimes you might not get any Endnote tab in the Word. So also this kind of problem how to solve. So let's begin. Get some kind of problems when you cite, so you get some kind of problems that it may not cite at the same time. So then you have to check this option, instant formatting is on. So sometimes it's off. So when it's off, then if you cite something, it's not gonna cite your reference. Like you can check it, like it's off right now, and then if you insert selected citation, because it's already selected, right? Not selected, okay, all right. So you can select it and then Endnote and insert selected option. So as you see here, there is no citation actually, because this is something wrong. And also you can see here there is no reference, so it means it's not cited properly. So what you have to do in that case, you have to check that this option, that instant formatting is off, and then you have to just turn instant formatting on, this one. And when you do this one, then automatically the documents it's gonna cite that reference. See here. And also in some cases, like you cannot find the Endnote option in your Word file. In your Word, you cannot find any Endnote option here. So in that case, you have to check. What you have to do, you have to go to the file and then option and then add-ins, and here also you find here, like if you have to check that this com add-ins it's selected or not. If not, then you have to select it and then go. So in most of the case, some cases like it's not checked. So in that case, if it is not checked, that Endnote cite while you write, if it is not checked, then you cannot find the Endnote option here. You see here right now there is no Endnote option. So in that case, you have to do that the same thing, like option and add-ins, and here com add-ins, go, and then this option you have to check, Endnote cite while you write, and then OK. Then you see here the Endnote option. So this is all about this Endnote citation. I hope this video will be helpful. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, share it, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks.